So, welcome back, friends, in this JLPT series where you learn about Japanese. So, today is the class 6, and in this class, we will learn about body parts in Japanese. So, what we learn in this class, we learn about common words for body parts in Japanese. So, this is the basic terms for body parts in Japanese. So, this is English, this is Japanese with kanji, and this is Romanized form of Japanese. For head, it is atama. For face, it is cow. For eyes, it is me. For nose, it is hana. For mouth, it is kuchi. For ears, this is mimi. For neck, it is kubi. For shoulders, it is kata. For arms, it is ude. For hands, it is te. For fingers, it is ub. For chest, it is mune. For stomach, it is hara and onaka. For back, it is senaka. For legs, it is ashi. And for feet, it is ashi. So now let's see some contextual differences. So in general use, like for hand, it is te. It is used for referring your own or someone else's hand in daily life conversation. And in politeness, it is ote. The prefix o is used to add politeness when we're talking about others. So ote o haiken shimash means I will take a look at your hands. For medical and scientific purpose, it is zoshi means upper limb. In medical or scientific terms, body parts are often referred to a formal way. And for casuals, it is genkotsu. Genkotsu. It is used for more casual or slang way, often in conversation. Special expression using body parts. Be patient. Harao okureru. Harao okureru means tie your stomach. Have a big heart. Utsuwa ga oki. Utsuwa ga oki. And in literal sense, it is have a big whistle. Turn a blind eye. Me o tsuburu. Me o tsuburu means close your eyes. Lend your hand. Lend a hand means teo kashu. Teo kashu means lend a hand. Have a long tongue means gossip. So kuchi ga karui. Kuchi ga karui means light mouth. So now let's see some difference between ashi and ashi. So this ashi means foot or feet. It is used when we're talking about the foot and whole leg in general, but it is also refers to the means of transportation, like kuruma wa watashi no ashi desu. A car is my means of transport, and this ashi is means for legs. It is used mostly on legs, like utsu, like utsukushi ashi desu. Like utsukushi ashi means beautiful legs when we're talking about girls. So let's see some examples like ashi ga itai means my foot hurts, and ashi ga nagai means have long legs. specifically when we're talking about legs, not feet. And let's see some difference between onaka and hara. So this onaka means stomach in polite. It is used in polite conversation like onaka ga tsuita means I am hungry. And hara, which means belly or gut, it is used in casual speech and used in idioms and casual speech like hara ga tatsu, like get angry. Now let's see some examples of all body parts in Japanese. And the first example is atamaga itai. Atamaga itai means my head hurts. My head hurts. Second example is kare wa atamaga ii means he is smart. He is smart. Third example is cow means face. O arai mashtaka. Arai mashtaka means did you wash your face? Fourth example is hazukashite. Hazukashikute. Cow means face. Ga akukunatta. Akukunatta means I was embarrassed and my face turned red. Fifth example is kare no kao wa doko ka de mitte koto ga aru means I have been seen his face somewhere else. Sixth example is me means eyes. O tojite kudasai. Please close your eyes. Seventh example is kanojo no me wa totemo kirei desu. Her eyes are very beautiful when we're talking about girls. So eighth example is me ga. Next example is me ga sametara. Me ga sametara asha datta means when I wake up it was morning. Next example is mimi ga itai no de byoi ne ikimasu means my ear hurts and so I'm going to the hospital. The next example is sono hanashi wa mimi ni shita koto ga aru means I heard that story before. Next example is kaze o hite hana ga tsumatte imasu means I caught a cold and my nose is sniffing. And next example is kare ga hana ga takai means he is proud. Literal meaning is his nose is high. And the next example is okiku kuchi o okiku akete kudasai means please open your mouth wide. When we go to the doctor says kuchi o okuku akete kudasai means please open your mouth wide. Next example is kare wa kuchi ga karui kara himitsu o hanasenai means he talks too much so I can't tell him secrets. The next example is odoroite kuchi ga aite mama datta means I was so surprised that my mouth stayed open. Next example is from neck and shoulders. Kubi ga itai no de masaji o ukemashita means my neck hurts so I got a massage. Next is kare wa kaisha o kubi ni natta means I got fired from the company. The next example is kata ga kotteimasu. Kata ga kotteimasu means my shoulders are stiff. The next example is kare wa katanagi. Kare wa katagaki ni kodowaru hito desu means he cared a lot about his job title. And next example is kata o kashite kuremasen ka means can you lend me your shoulders? specific and it is the literal meaning sense. Can you help me? And the next example is Teo aratte kudasai. Teo aratte kudasai means please wash your hands. The next is Kanojo no te o totemo. Kanojo no te o. Kanojo no te wa totemo tsumetai. Her hands are very cold. Next is Ude o kumu no wa jinshin no aware desu. Araware desu. Means crossing arms is a sign of confidence. The next is Kare wa ude ga ii isha desu. Kare wa ude ga ii isha desu. Means he is a skilled doctor. He is a skilled doctor or he is a good doctor. And the next is te o kashite mo. Te o kashite moraimasu ka? Means can you lend me your hand? Can you lend me a hand? Next example is onaka ga tsuita means I am hungry. The next is onaka ga ittai no de yasumimasu. Yasumimasu means my stomach hurts, so I will rest. Hara o tatte nai de kudasai. Hara o tatte nai de kudasai means please don't get angry. The next is kare no senaka wa hiroi desu. Kare no senaka wa hiroi desu means his back is broad. The next is senaka o oshite moraimashita means I was given encouragement. And the literal meaning is my back was pushed. The next example is ashi ga ittai means my foot hurts. And the next is kare wa ashi ga hayai. Kare wa ashi ga hayai means he run fast. The next is Kanojo no ashi ga nagai desu. Kanojo no ashi ga nagai desu means he has long legs. The next example is koronde ashi o kaga shimashita. Kega shimashita. Koronde ashi o kega shimashita means I felt and injured by my foot. Basu ga nai no de ashi de kairimashita means there was no bus, so I walked home. The next example is me ga ten ni naru. Me ga ten ni naru means be shocked. Eyes became dots. And the next example is mimi ga toi means hard of hearing. And the next example is kuchi o dashinai de kudasai. Kuchi o dasanai de kudasai means please don't interrupt. The next example is kata o naraberu. Kata o naraberu means be on equal footing. The last example is ashi o ipparu means hold someone back.